Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to another lesson of unit number 1. And before this, we have attended 2 lessons of unit number 1 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. And what are we doing? We are learning the use of is, am, are in grammar. So, did you remember what is the use of is, am, are in grammar?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So tell me, what is the use of is in grammar? We use is with,
Singular noun and pronoun.
am with,
I.
are with.
Plural nouns and pronouns.
Very nice. So let's move forward towards our next activity from unit number 1. Okay, students, yesterday we completed our this activity, extended practice part 2. Now we are moving forward towards word bank. So let's discuss word bank in detail. Okay, students, this part of applied grammar is very much important. Word bank means vocabulary. Vocabulary, you will learn new words, you will learn new vocabulary, and it will improve your spoken also. If you will learn these words by heart, your spoken and written will be improved. Okay, students, so let's discuss the word bank given here. First, we will read the words. Okay, students, let's read the word bank first, and then we will discuss the words given here. Big, small, old, happy, naughty, good, nice, helpful, kind, caring, government officer, teacher, doctor, lawyer, engineer, shopkeeper, businessman, housewife, and working lady. Okay, students, so it was the reading. Now we are moving forward towards the meanings of the given words, and some of the words are very easy. You know the meanings already. Let's discuss the meanings. Words one by one. Big mean
Bada.
small.
Chota.
Yes, it's these two words are antonyms of each other. Big, small. Old. Okay, students, there we know the meaning of old as old book, old house, purana. इस meaning में हम लेते हैं. But here in this word bank, it means we are using old for age. Like I am 12 years old, I am 13 years old, like this. Okay, students. Happy mean
Khushi.
khush. Very nice. Naughty.
Sharati.
Yes, naughty. For example, my cousin is very naughty. He is very naughty. Naughty means sharati. Good. Okay, students. Good and nice. These two words almost have similar meanings. Good and nice means acha. Okay, students. Next one, helpful. Yes, a person who helps other persons. For example, my mother is very helpful. My father is very helpful. Means she helps me. My father helps me when I need them. So they help me. Clear, students? Helpful means madadgar, madad karne wala. Kind. Kind mean meherban, रहम करने वाला. Okay, students. Caring. Yes, a person who takes care. So that person is caring. For example, my mother is caring, my sister is caring, like this. And now these words are given for professions. Okay, students. For example, you are talking about the profession of your father, government officer, teacher, doctor, lawyer. Lawyer mean? Do you know the meaning of lawyer?
No.
No. Okay. The lawyer mean wakil. Lawyer. Okay, students. Engineer, shopkeeper, businessman. So these are professions. In Prep 6 you have learned these words, and the last 2 words are given for your mother, housewife, and working lady. Housewife means my mother stays at home, means वो घर पे ही रहती हैं. She is housewife. Working lady means my mother does a job. वो कोई job करती हैं, ये कोई काम करती है. That's why your mother is working lady. Okay, students.
Yes.
Okay, students, now we are here on Learn to Speak, and it's very much important activity. And this activity will improve your spoken. इससे आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा spoken improve होगी बेटा. And what you have to do, you have to use the given word bank. This vocabulary you will use for introduction. If you want to introduce yourself to someone or to your partner, for example, I have two students here, and the first one is
Laiba.
and the second one is
Subeta.
Subeta. Laiba and Subeta, there are two girls here, and they are partners of each other. Okay, students, they are partners of each other. Now, Subeta is going to introduce herself to her friend. Okay, students, Subeta अपना इंट्रोडक्शन करवाएंगी अब लाइबा को. सो इसी तरह से अगर आपने भी कभी अपना खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना हो, खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन करवाना हो, तो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही जैसे सुबैता खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएंगी, इसी तरह से आपने भी खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स टेल अ पार्टनर अबाउट योरसेल्फ. लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस एक्टिविटी.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam Rahmatullah. I am Subeta. I am Hafiz Quran. I am 12 years old.
Okay students, now look here. Okay students, as you heard that Subeta's age is 12 years old, so you will talk about your age. ओके ये यहाँ पे जो सेंटेंसेस गिवन है बेटा, आपने इनको ज़बानी नहीं याद करना, आपने बस इसकी एक मतलब प्रैक्टिस करनी है और आपने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना है कि आपकी क्या एज है. यू आर, इफ़ यू आर लेस देन 11 years old, then you will say I am 10 years old. If you are more than 11 years old, then you can say I am 12 years old or I am 13 years old. Okay beta, as Subeta is 12 years old. Very nice. Next one.
I am in class 6.
Very nice.
My family is big.
Very nice. If your family is big, then you will say my family is big. If your family is small, then you can choose the word from here and you can say my family is small. Very nice. Next one.
My father is a businessman.
Okay, Subeta's father is businessman. He is not a teacher. So that's in the same case you will talk about your father. Okay students, you will talk about your father, whether your father is a businessman or a shopkeeper, government officer, teacher, doctor, lawyer or engineer. Okay students, you will tell the profession of your father. Next one.
My mother is a housewife.
Okay, very nice. Subeta's mother is housewife. If your mother is not housewife, then you can choose the second option, as my mother is a working lady. Okay students, and the last one.
They are very kind and helpful.
They are very kind and helpful. You can choose two words here to tell about your parents. So it was introduction of Subeta's. ये Subeta ने लाइबा को अपना introduction करवाया है. Now the second activity is on Laiba's side. Okay students, now we are here towards activity B of learn to speak. It's tell the class about your partner. जैसा कि आपने देखा कि लाइबा एंड सुबैता दोनों पार्टनर्स हैं. सुबैता ने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन अभी लाइबा से करवाया है. नाउ लाइबा इज गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस हर फ्रेंड सुबैता टू द होल क्लास. Okay students, as you can see in the picture, there are two students now. So one student is going to introduce about his partner to whole class. इसी तरह से लाइबा भी अपनी दोस्त सुबैता का इंट्रोडक्शन पूरी क्लास के सामने करवाएंगी. तो वो अब आप लोग सुनेंगे और आप लोग अपने पार्टनर को बिल्कुल इसी तरह से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएंगे अगर आपने कहीं पे भी बात करनी होगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस एक्टिविटी.
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
She is Subeta. She is Hafiz Quran. She is 12 years old. She is in class 6. Her family is big.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आपने सुना लाइबा ने बोला हर फैमिली इज़ बिग. तो आपने इस बात का ख्याल रखना है जब दो बच्चे या दो लड़के एक दूसरे का इंट्रोडक्शन करवा रहे होंगे तो वो ये वाला प्रोनाउन यूज़ करेंगे ही, हिज, हिज. लेकिन अगर दो बच्चियाँ या दो गर्ल्स एक दूसरे का इंट्रोडक्शन करवा रही होंगी तो तब वो ये प्रोनाउन यूज़ करेंगी जो लाइबा यूज़ कर रही हैं, बिकॉज लाइबा की जो दोस्त हैं वो सुबैता हैं. ही, हिज, शी, हर. ही, हिज, शी, हर. नेक्स्ट वन.
Her father is a businessman.
Her father is a businessman. Here she Laiba is saying her family is big. जब हम he की बात करेंगे तो हम his use करेंगे. Whenever we talk about she here, we will use her. She, her. He,
His.
she,
Her.
he,
His.
she.
Her.
Like this. Very nice. Her father is a businessman because Sweta's father is businessman. He is not a teacher. Next one.
Her mother is a housewife.
Very nice.
They are very kind and helpful.
They are very kind and helpful. अब लाइबा ने अपनी फ्रेंड स्वेता का इंट्रोडक्शन करवाया है. बिल्कुल इसी तरह से आप लोग अपनी फ्रेंड का इंट्रोडक्शन पूरी क्लास के सामने करवा सकते हैं. Okay students, we are here with another spoken activity which is ask and reply. Ask mean to ask question and reply mean
To answer.
to answer, to give answer. So this activity is about question and answer, and now we are going to learn how can we give short answers. Short answers हम किस तरह से दे सकते हैं. Spoken में हम short answers भी दे सकते हैं. It's very interesting activity. Let's start this activity beta. Now I am asking questions to my students and they'll answer. Is he 11 years old?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. Very nice. Is she 11 years old?
No, she isn't.
No, she isn't. Now, isn't. What is the meaning of isn't, beta? Isn't mean?
Is not.
Is not. It's the short form of. Isn't is the short form of.
Is not.
Is not. Very nice. Isn't is the short form of is not. अब आप लोग short form जैसे short answers हम use बोलेंगे, इसी तरह से हम short forms में answer करेंगे. Okay, students. Next one. Are you 11 years old?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Are they 11 years old?
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't. Okay, student, you we can use for singular and plural also. For example, मैं पूछ रही हूँ, are you 11 years old? तो ये भी कह सकते हैं, yes, I am, or yes, we are. Because you we use for singular and plural also. Okay, students?
Yes, miss.
Okay, students, next one, it's a dialogue between two students. अब हम ये डायलॉग करने जा रहे हैं. स्टूडेंट्स आपस में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. आप लोग बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे और आप लोग ये प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं अपने घर में अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, सिस्टर्स के साथ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन लाइबा एंड सुबैदा आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म दिस एक्टिविटी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Are we friends?
Yes, we are.
Is your father a doctor?
No, he isn't.
Am I a student?
Yes.
No, you aren't.
Am I a student? Fida, tell me.
No, you
No, you
aren't.
aren't.
Yes, I am not a student as I am a teacher. Next one.
Is your mother a housewife?
Yes, she is.
Okay.
Are you in class 6?
Yes, I am.
Yes, here you have learned the use of is, am, are with the correct nouns and pronouns. You have to practice all the spoken activities and you will learn the given word bank by heart. It's your homework बेटा. आपने ये अच्छे से word bank learn करना है और रफ कॉपी पे इसकी practice भी करनी है and you will practice all the spoken activities which are given here. We'll meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.